These are the cleaning and sanitizing instructions for brewers with a BrewKeg50, our combined conical fermenter and keg. This product allows a brewer to ferment, carbonate, clarify and dispense a brew all in one vessel. First, boil 2 litres or 68 fluid ounces of water in a kitchen kettle. Remove pressure in the vessel by pressing the button on the VPRV until all pressure is released. Then remove the lid. Ensure the vessel butterfly valve is closed and then remove the sediment bottle. We're now going to perform a water rinse. If you have access to a drain and water hose, place the brew keg over the drain and open the butterfly valve. Use the water hose to rinse off any beverage residue or yeast ring from a previous brew. Drain all the liquid into the drain and then close the butterfly valve. If you don't have access to a drain or water hose, then use the following method. Take the BrewKeg50 off its stand and place a 3 litre jug in the centre of the stand on the ground. Put the BrewKeg50 back on its stand and add 2 litres or 68 fluid ounces of cold tap water to the vessel cone. Dip the non-scratch sponge into the water in the cone and scrub the entire internal surface of the vessel with cold water. It is important to especially scrub off any yeast ring from a previous brew. Then dump this water into the 3 litre jug by opening the vessel butterfly valve and then rinse the internal surface of the vessel with water using the 500 ml rinse bottle. Close the vessel butterfly valve and then remove the brew keg from its stand. Take the jug and dump its contents. We're now going to clean and sanitize the brew keg. Put the brew keg back on its stand. Take the sediment bottle and ensure its bottom bleed valve is closed, and then put the sediment bottle back on the vessel butterfly valve. Ensure the vessel butterfly valve is closed, and then add 15 grams or 1 heaped tablespoon of Williams Worn detergent to the vessel. 1 capful is also about 15 grams. Then add the 2 litres of hot boiled water to the vessel. Then put the lid on the brew keg and close it well. Circulate the BrewKeg50 to dissolve the detergent in the cone. Tip the keg upside down and circulate it so that the hot liquid soaks and cleans the underside of the lid and the vessel top area. Then hold the keg horizontally and shake it up and down so that the hot liquid circulates around the walls of the keg. The pressure will build up as you shake. Place the keg upright on its stand and attach the plastic beer tap and open it to take out 150 ml of hot liquid out the beer line into a cup. If no liquid flows, take your CO2 cylinder and ensure there is 1.5 bar pressure on the low pressure gauge and connect the grey gas fitting to the gas port on the lid and add some CO2 for a few seconds. Then take the 150 ml of hot liquid out the beer line. While the BrewKeg50 is on its stand, remove pressure by pressing the button on the VPRV. Then open the vessel butterfly valve and allow the remaining hot liquid to flood the sediment bottle. Let it stand for 20 seconds, then drain 150 ml of the hot liquid out the sediment bottle into a cup by opening its bleed valve. Close the butterfly valve and then remove the sediment bottle. Then dump its contents and rinse it several times with cold water. Next, remove the lid and rinse the internal surface with cold water. Then spray the beer out tube and plastic beer tap line with water using the rinse bottle. The plastic tap will need to be set to open to allow a flow. Once rinsed, remove the plastic beer tap from the lid. We now need to rinse off the detergent. So again, if you have access to a drain and water hose, place the brew keg over the drain and then open the butterfly valve. Use the water hose to rinse all the detergent off the internal surface of the brew keg, drain all the liquid, and then close the butterfly valve again. Place the brew keg back on its stand, ready for the addition of ingredients. Again, if you don't have access to such a drain, remove the brew keg from its stand, put the 3 litre jug in the middle of the stand, put the brew keg back on the stand, and open the butterfly valve. Then rinse the rim thread with water from the rinse bottle. Then rinse the entire vessel internal surface area. Then close the butterfly valve, take the brew keg off its stand, remove the jug, dump its contents, and put the brew keg back on its stand, ready to add ingredients.